In this video, I'm going to show how to fix this problem whereby you are unable to actually see the last seen, okay, of a contact in your WhatsApp in an iPhone. WhatsApp in an iPhone. Okay, so this is an example. Now this is bro MTN. I can't actually see the last seen, his last seen. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, if you're unable to see the last seen of this of a contact on WhatsApp, watch the video till the end. Now head back. Now I want you to look at the right bottom of your screen. You see settings. Okay, select settings. When you select settings, now I want you to look at the privacy option. Tap privacy. Okay, now I want you to tap on last seen and online. Okay, tap it. Now when you tap on last seen and online, I want you to keep note of something below. If you don't share your last seen and online, you won't be able to see other people's last seen and online. Okay, so that means if you set this to a nobody, that means you can't actually see the last seen of the other people as well. That means if the other people also set their last seen and online to a nobody, you can't also see their last seen. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put this to everyone. Okay, when you put this to everyone, that means you can actually see their last seen and online. So head back just like this. Then now I want you to actually close your WhatsApp. Okay, and then after closing it, then again open it again. Okay, now tap that particular chat. Okay, so when you tap that particular chat, you notice that you can see last seen Thursday at 3:28 a.m. So that is how you fix your last seen problems. If you're unable to see the last seen of this contact, probably on their side they have set their last seen probably to nobody, and they can't disclose their last seen and online status. Okay.